Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun activity and it's called the pyramid. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So for this activity, you're only going to need 2 items, yourself and 6 of these Dixie cups. Oh, transfer. It's 1. Want to make it more challenging? Don't put your feet down. Hold up the whole time. Alright, that's there we go. There we go, my 3 stats. 1. That's 2. And 3. Alright, so Jordan and I just completed level 1. Again, if you forgot or you didn't see it quite well, level 1 was using your feet. We had to stack it up like this. That was level 1. Now we're moving on to level 2, which is with 6 cups, where we're going to have to go 3, 2, 1 up top. Again, we're doing this with only our feet, so stay tuned and we'll demonstrate this in just a moment. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
As a reminder, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.